We're so excited to announce Tennessee's inaugural Food Waste Awareness Week, which will be April 4th through the 9th. We will be sharing tips and resources throughout the week to help you become a better steward of your food resources. There will be a daily theme, videos highlighting best practices of various organizations and businesses, a daily Food Hero Photo Challenge, and a statewide food drive. To end the week, we will host food waste events at various locations throughout the state, including Memphis, Nashville, Chattanooga, and Knoxville, and highlighting bread to tap. Brewers across the state are partnering with local bakeries to take their unsold bread and turn it into a delicious brew to raise awareness about the problem of food waste and the many solutions and resources available. This event aims to inform local citizens about the importance of reducing food waste, increasing food recovery, and providing local resources available to combat food waste and food insecurity in their homes and communities. For more information about this week and the events happening, go to getfoodsmarttn.com/endfoodwastetn.